Hey friends, welcome to Domain Racer. In previous video, I have told you how to create hosting packages. And in today's video, I am going to tell you how to create a feature manager in cPanel. So first log into your WHM cPanel account. After login, in package section, there is a feature manager. Add here feature name. Suppose I am adding basic and click on add feature list. Here you can see so many options are come. So I am just selecting auto SSL, backup manager, change language, directory section pop-up. So that's it. Scroll down and save the changes. So you can see here your features is added successfully. Go to the edit package. Here is our package name. Click on edit. Here you can see the feature list is here. I have already added basic 2. Click on save the changes. The changes have successfully saved. When you allocate particular cPanel responder, that time there lots of options are present. So you have to just enable or disable the things. In next video, I am going to show you how to create a cPanel account in WHM.